We are pleased to show you the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.